Think all Disney Value Resorts are the same? Think again. This one's rocking guitars, jamming saxophones, and even has family suites with 2 bathrooms. Welcome to Disney's All-Star Music Resort, where the beat never stops. Can a hotel be more than just a place to sleep? Can it be an experience? Too often, Disney's value resorts get overlooked, written off as simply a budget stay without much magic. But what if I told you that this one hits all the right notes? Affordability, immersive theming, and an energy that's impossible to ignore. Today, we're turning up the volume on Disney's All Star Music Resort. We'll explore every theme section from the tropical rhythms of the Calypso to the Broadway lights of center stage. We'll splash into 2 massive pools and then step inside 2 different room types, including a fan favorite family suites that are a total game changer for larger groups. By the end, you just might have discovered your new favorite spot at Walt Disney World. Opening in November of 1994, Disney's All Star Music Resort struck a whole new chord for value theming. The place is one big celebration of music, 5 theme sections, each one with its own giant icons and totally unique vibe. Closest to the main lobby, Melody Hall, you'll find Calypso, buildings 1 and 10. It's bustling with tropical color, giant maracas, steel drums, and island energy that's impossible not to smile at. Plus, it's the most convenient spot on property. Right behind it, the mood smooths out at Jazz Inn, buildings 2 and 9. Oversized saxophones line the walls, and musician silhouettes set the tone. It's cool, classy, and a perfect contrast to Calypso's festive vibe. Then we crank things up at Rock Inn, buildings 3 and 4, where it's all about guitars, jukebox, and that 1950s rock and roll flair. Even the stairwells look like massive speaker amps. It's pure concert energy. Next, we take a twangy turn into Country Fair, buildings 5 and 6. Giant cowboy boots, fiddles, banjos give it a down home charm that feels straight out of a country festival. And finally, it's showtime at Broadway Hotel, buildings 7 and 8. Think big top hats, glowing marquees, and that unmistakable theater sparkle. Each section has its own soundtrack, so the vibes shift as you walk through. Calypso's rhythm fade into jazz, then into rock. It's simple, but it makes the resort feel alive, with massive icons and colorful backdrops everywhere. This place is a gold mine for photos and a blast for all ages. So, what can you do here when you're not in the parks? Well, All Star Music definitely hits the high notes when it comes to amenities, especially the pools. Front and center is the Calypso Pool. It is a showstopper. Just behind Melody Hall, this massive guitar shaped pool holds 250,000 gallons of water. At the center, the 3 caballeros, Dano, Jose, and Panchito, playfully spray water across the pool. It's lively, colorful, and always full of energy. You'll find poolside games, tons of lounge chairs, a kiddie pool nearby, and the Singing Spirits Pool Bar right next door for drinks and a quick bite. If you're craving something quieter, head to the piano pool. It's shaped like a grand piano, complete with black and white key decking, and offers a more relaxed, low key vibe, perfect after a long day in the parks. When hunger hits, make your way to intermission food court inside Melody Hall. It's a quick service spot serving up classics like burgers, pizza, pasta, and sandwiches, with mobile ordering to save you time. There's also Notable Games Arcade for some indoor fun, scenic walk paths that connect all 3 All Star resorts, great for the morning jog, and of course, complimentary Disney bus transportation to all the parks in Disney Springs. Whether you're cooling off, grabbing a bite, or just soaking up the atmosphere, All Star Music makes sure the magic doesn't stop when you leave the parks. All right, let's head inside and check out the rooms. We're looking at one of the newly refurbished standard rooms, and honestly, the upgrades is a huge win. Each room is about 260 square feet and sleeps up to 4 adults. The first thing you notice, no more carpet. It's now sleek hardwood style flooring that feels clean and modern. The layout's been completely reimagined for function. Instead of two double beds taking up all the space, you've got one queen bed and a queen size Murphy bed that pulls down from the wall. During the day, that Murphy bed folds up to reveal a table and two chairs, instantly opening the room up. And yes, it's a real mattress, not just one of those thin sofa beds. Storage was clearly a focus here. You'll find room for suitcases under the main bed, a dresser with deep drawers, and plenty of shelves and cubbies throughout. Each nightstand has USB and USB C ports, which is always a plus. The bathroom area is separated by a sliding barn style door. There's a single sink, bright vanity, lighting, and lots of shelf space for everyone's stuff. Then the second door leads to the toilet and tub shower combo, perfect for families trying to get ready at the same time. The theming is subtle, but still Disney. Above the Murphy bed, you'll spot Huey, Dewey, and Louie dreaming about music, movies, and sports, a fun nod to all three All Star resorts. It's clean, smart, and surprisingly functional. Prove that a value resort room can still feel fresh and thoroughly designed. Need more space? This is where All Star Music really hits a high note. It's the only All Star resort that offers family suites, which sleep up to six adults, perfect for larger families or groups. These suites are found only in the Calypso and Jazz sections, giving you a great location nearby Melody Hall, the food court, and bus stops. Walking in, you can immediately tell this isn't your standard value room. These suites combine two rooms into one, giving you about 520 square feet of space divided between a main living area and a separate master bedroom. The living area is super versatile. You've got a sofa and a dining table with chairs. But here's the cool part: both convert into queen size Murphy beds. That means two comfortable beds at night and plenty of open space during the day. There's also a large TV in the living area so everyone can unwind together. Next up, the kitchenette, a total lifesaver for families. It includes a microwave, coffee maker, sink, and a full size refrigerator with a freezer, perfect for storing drinks, leftovers, or breakfast items. Disney even includes disposable plates, bowls, and utensils, so you're ready to go. And the real MVP feature: two full bathrooms. One's off the living area with a vanity and a shower tub combo. The master bedroom has a queen bed, its own TV, and connects to a second bathroom with a walk in shower. Two bathrooms and all the extra space. That's a huge win for families trying to get ready in the morning or unwind after a long park day. So there you have it: vibrant themes, fun pools, and smart functional rooms. From the redesigned standards to those spacious family suites, All Star Music really knows how to stay in tune. If you enjoyed this tour, hit the like button and subscribe. And if you've stayed here before, I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments. So, is All Star Music just another value resort? Not even close. This place is full of energy, color, and rhythm. And for family, those two bedroom suites are a total game changer. With great amenities, fun pools, and nonstop musical vibes, All Star Music proves that value doesn't mean ordinary. Thanks for joining me on this tour, and as always, see you real soon.